We often hear it, but do we know what procrastination actually is? Is it wasting time? Avoiding work? Being lazy? Yes and no. In simple terms, procrastination is an act or habit of putting off or delaying tasks, especially those requiring immediate attention. Let's give a little science background behind it. Professor Tim Pychyl from Carleton University, who has been studying procrastination for the past few decades, believes it is a problem with managing emotions rather than time. Studies and other researchers have confirmed this thesis. The reason we procrastinate is due to our brains being overwhelmed with conflicting emotions and struggling to prioritize the task at hand. This is the human brain. This part of the brain is called the temporal lobe. In this part, we can find the amygdala, an almond-shaped piece which processes emotions and controls motivation. Individuals with a larger amygdala might be more anxious about the negative consequences of an action. The conclusion here is that those who often procrastinate have or might have a larger amygdala. There is, however, some good news. Mindfulness meditation training, which is training related to staying focused and aware of our surroundings, can help us overcome these debilitating and usually stealthy anxieties. With mindfulness training, we can potentially shrink our amygdala, which could lead to being more conscious about our rational decision making. There are websites, courses, and apps dedicated to mindful training, like Headspace or Calm, but this is another topic in itself. Remember that this is just one of the reasons, and each of us is biospecific. A pain pill can reduce pain for one person, but be insufficient for the other. There are numerous factors which determine our motivation and concentration on the task at hand, starting by getting enough sleep and finishing on how organized your desk is. Although we can't drop everything on the amygdala, it is certainly an important factor in this equation.